Ever wish you could declutter your Instagram feed without saying goodbye to those precious memories? Let's dive into the magic of archiving and unarchiving posts. First, open your Instagram app and navigate to your profile page. It's the icon on the bottom right, usually your profile picture. Find the post you want to archive. Tap on the three little dots, the options menu, located in the top right corner of that specific post. In this menu, you'll see a few choices. Select the archive option. Boom. The post vanishes from your public profile. It's gone, but not gone. To see your archive posts, tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner of your profile page. This opens your settings menu. Choose Archive. Here, you'll find all your archived posts neatly tucked away. To bring a post back into the light, tap on the post you'd like to unarchive. Then, tap the three dots in the corner. Again, select Show on Profile and the post will reappear in its original spot on your feed. That's it. Your post is back for everyone to adore. Archiving and unarchiving is a fantastic way to manage your content and keep your feed fresh. Now you know how to archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. Happy posting. Thanks for watching.